Welcome to an episode of Art with Mr. Clark. Today we're going to talk about how to add circles with a compass. You're going to need a compass tool. There's multiple types. Most of them are going to have a sharp point on one end and a drawing tip on the other. In this case, both of these have a graphite tip. This compass I'm using here is an Alvin compass, and its width adjusts with a little spindle in the middle. And when you're turning your compass, you want to use your pointer finger and your thumb and twist as you rotate that compass. You also want to tilt the compass into the direction that you're going to be rotating. So once that compass is adjusted, as you can see, it's tilted in the direction that I need to spin. I'll adjust it and add another circle, tilt it, and spin it again. As long as the point stays planted, every time you spin a circle, it'll come off of the same center point, keeping your radial symmetry. The size of these is just chosen at random. As long as each one is different, that's all I really need. I'm going to use these to create random patterns for the next segment. Now I've got multiple circles of different sizes. The variety that I have here is going to be perfect for what I want to do next. And coming up next, we're going to be drawing patterns in radial symmetry.